Alright, so for today's lesson with our fossils, you go to Clever and then you click on your FOSS-Web. And remember, if it'll take a minute to log in, or I've already signed in as Mallory, so she just clicks her student page. She clicks on solids, rocks, and landforms. And your first part is to go ahead and click on tutorials, and then I want you to click on fossils. So you click on tutorials and then you click on fossils, and then go ahead and walk through this part. Once you've done this, then there is a video. So we go to our streaming videos and we go to our fossils. And then I would like you to go ahead and watch all of them. So you just hit play and it will go through all of them for you. After you're done, I'm going to have, I want you to fill out your Google form of answering some of the questions. And your questions are going to be, what is a fossil? In what kind of rock are most fossils found? What do scientists learn from studying fossils? So that will be in the Google form, that will be in your Google Classroom assignment.